I love working at UCI because it has such a vast network and there are so many ways to get involved.
I love working at UCI because of all the people. They're like my second family.
One of the things I like the most about working at UCI is the opportunity to work on challenges and to problem solve.
I'm really proud to work at a university that's doing so much for first-generation college students and changing the future for them and their families.
This is where I went to school. This is my work. This is my family. These are people that I share community with and something I love being a part of.
I really love the staff members here at UC Irvine. I love their work ethic, the fact that they're always giving to our students and to making this institution a great place. And so it's really a special group to work with, and they're always thinking about improving and making things better. And so that's what I really love about UC Irvine, the staff here at UC Irvine.
Thank you for giving.
Every donation counts.
Thank you for investing in us.
Thank you for giving.
We're making a mountain out of an anthill.
Thank you for giving. Zot, zot, zot.